Hey buds! Berry season is upon us, and for many of us, berry picking is one of our first foraging adventures that we had. Now, whether they are wild or homegrown, berries are a nutritious and delicious food, and we wanted to share with you one of our favorite childhood recipes. That's a great way to enjoy them in the summertime. One of the berries we're going to be working with today is the Haskap, or edible blue honeysuckle. Now, back in the day, it was found in the wild in every province except for British Columbia. However, it was really tart. These days, it is cultivated at the University of Saskatchewan as part of their fruit program, and these are the varieties that are known as Haskaps. Fun fact, Haskap is the Japanese term for them, and it is supposed to mean berry of long life and good vision. This graham crust is great for this pie and gives you a lighter and quicker option than pastry. So you start with 3/4 of a cup of graham crumbs, and to that add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And then we mix them together. And then simply put them into your pie crust, or your pie plate, sorry. And press it down. And when you have it evenly spread out about how you like it, just simply chill it for 2 hours before putting in your filling. In a saucepan, we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of sugar and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. And then slowly add 1.5 cups of water while giving it a stir. Then we are going to bring it to a boil on medium heat. After boiling for a minute, remove from the heat and add 1 package of Jello, or 85 grams. All right, well, once your mixture is warm but not hot, and your crust has chilled, you can add whatever berries you happen to have into the crust. In our case, we have strawberries and Haskaps that I picked today from my parents' amazing garden. But Saskatoons, raspberries, any summer berry will be awesome in there. And then all we have to do is pour the mixture on top. And it will essentially glue your berries together into a delicious pie. So the last thing you have to do is put it in the fridge and wait until it firms up as patiently as you can. And once your pie has firmed up, you can enjoy your berry bounty in pie form. Happy picking!